Hi there, students. What's the difference between an aim and an objective? I think very often we use these words interchangeably. However, I think they're slightly different. Let's see, we use both of these words to talk about goals or targets. But let's see, an aim is much more general. An objective is much more specific. So, if you have an aim, it identifies what you're trying to do, but with a much more general statement. So, it is our aim to reduce poverty in the third world. It's our specific objective to reduce poverty by 6% in this specific area over this specific period of time. Okay, so you can really have a series of objectives in order to meet your overall aim. Okay, the aim is something that is much more general. Also, more generally, we don't use aim with a time limit. Yeah, my aim is to do this. My aim is to become very knowledgeable in this field. But then you might have certain objectives. So it's my objective to get a degree in it in the next 2 years, for example. Okay, a program that is aimed to increase literacy, but it's an overall aim. Then you may have certain objectives to meet, certain much more specific targets. Okay, so you have several objectives to meet your overall aim or target. Now, normally, if you have an aim, you want to measure different things to see how you're getting towards that. And objectives are the specific measurements on the way to achieving your total aim. Normally, objectives have a time limit. They have a number limit. Yeah, objectives are much more specific. It's my objective to teach every child in this street to read. Okay, and like that, I am closer to my aim of improving literacy within this city. Okay, so yeah, the objective is something much more specific. You have to meet objectives to achieve your general aim, your general overall target. Yeah, aims are much more abstract, whereas objectives are much more specific. Aims normally don't have a time limit, whereas specific objectives do have a time limit. So, formality, both of these words are a 5 and you can use them anywhere. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Aim versus objective.